How can we use compliance training to promote a proactive approach to risk management within our organization? Compliance training can help companies reduce risk across the organization and create safer workplaces. Whether you work in healthcare or manufacturing, compliance training isn't optional. It's essential. Here's how to take a proactive approach to risk management. First, create an ongoing process for compliance training. Your compliance training strategy shouldn't be a one-off program that team members participate in during onboarding or at a company-wide training event each year. Make compliance training part of everyday work by delivering required courses through a learning management system. This way, your team can access training anytime they want and keep up with the assigned courses so that they don't fall behind. Second, leverage automated training technology. For large organizations, ensuring that the team meets compliance deadlines can be time-consuming, but automation can help. Relieve the administrative burden of compliance training by automating deadline reminders, follow-up emails, and notifications for individual team members. And finally, track and report compliance data. To be effective and proactive, you need data that shows the compliance status across the entire organization as well as at the individual level. Audit trails are also important because they document any administrative actions that were taken, like courses being updated or altered. Compliance training can help your organization reduce risk. By creating an ongoing compliance training program, you can ensure that your team is up to date on the latest safety regulations and industry standards.